Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Safepal wallet account from your mobile. So first of all, you need to download and install the Safepal wallet here in your mobile device from Google Play Store or App Store. So once you open your Safepal wallet, its home page will look something like this. So since you want to create a new wallet, simply tap on the option of create new wallet. Then you can simply provide your 6-digit password, so you can use these numbers in order to add the password. After that, you need to confirm your password. Then if you want to enable touch screen or fingerprints, you need to do that. After that, if you want to backup your wallet right now, you can select the option of backup now here. You need to backup now. It is important in order to activate your account. So after selecting it, you can back up your account to your Google Drive, or you can back it up manually. So whichever method you have selected, you will be redirected here on the home page of your Safepal wallet. So now you have successfully created and set up your Safepal wallet account in your mobile. Now you can use it in order to send and receive cryptos. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.